Numbness and tingling are symptoms of nerve involvement or nerve irritation. So if you're having these symptoms, then somewhere in your body, the nerves are upset.
Are your hands tingling, going numb, or feeling weak when you wake up or hold something too long? That loss of grip strength, that frustrating pins and needles, it's a daily struggle. What if I told you that 5 everyday vegetables could help you rebuild strength in seniors and even stop that frustrating tingling naturally? Backed by science, these veggies support your nerves, muscles, and circulation, all crucial elements for maintaining hand function as we age. These aren't just tasty. Doctors and nutritionists are quietly recommending them to patients with nerve issues, poor grip strength, and even early neuropathy. Make sure you stay until the end, because the vegetable at number 1 might already be in your fridge, and it's the most powerful of them all. Before we reveal the list, let's quickly understand the root problem. Why does this happen? The tingling, numbness, and weakness in your hands often stem from 3 core issues common in seniors. First, nerve communication problems. This can be due to nerve damage, often a side effect of conditions like diabetes or a simple deficiency in crucial B vitamins, like B12. Your nerves are like electrical wires, and when they lack proper insulation or energy, the signals get scrambled, resulting in those tingling hands. Second is poor circulation. As we age, our blood vessels can become less flexible, making it harder for oxygen-rich blood to reach the tiny capillaries in our hands and fingers. Without that vital oxygen, nerve and muscle cells can't function properly. Third is age-related muscle wasting, a condition known as sarcopenia. This is a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, which directly impacts your grip. The great news is that diet plays an incredibly powerful role in managing and even helping to reverse these symptoms. It's never too late. Your body has a remarkable ability to start repairing itself with the right nutrients, starting today. Now, a few quick ground rules before we start our countdown. These vegetables aren't magic pills that will work overnight. Instead, think of them as powerful nutritional tools. They contain the specific vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant compounds that directly nourish your nerves, relax your blood vessels, and support muscle tissue. It's about providing your body with the building blocks it needs to heal. And, as always, a quick disclaimer. While these foods are safe and healthy, you should always consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are on medication. The best part, you can find all of these powerhouse vegetables in your local grocery store, making this an accessible strategy for anyone looking to rebuild strength and fight nerve discomfort. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on our list is broccoli. This common cruciferous vegetable is a true champion for nerve health. What it does is deliver a potent dose of 2 critical nutrients, magnesium and vitamin B6. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it helps calm the nervous system and is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contraction and nerve signal transmission. When you're deficient, your nerves can become overexcited, contributing to that tingling sensation. Vitamin B6, meanwhile, is vital for creating neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow your nerve cells to communicate effectively. Together, they form a powerful duo that helps ensure your nerve signals fire correctly, reducing the misfires that cause tingling hands. The easiest way to add it to your meals is to steam some florets as a simple side dish, or chop them up and toss them into omelets, stir-fries, or soups. A surprising fact about broccoli is that it also contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown in studies to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, further protecting your nerves from damage. Next, at number 4, we have carrots. Most people associate carrots with eye health, but their benefits for your nervous system are just as impressive. The star player in carrots is beta-carotene, the compound that gives them their bright orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for the development and maintenance of the central nervous system. Specifically, it helps protect the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerve fibers. A healthy myelin sheath ensures that electrical impulses travel quickly and efficiently from your brain to your hands. When it degrades, signals can slow down or get lost, leading to numbness and weakness. Carrots also provide a good amount of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance in the body and is essential for proper muscle function, which can help improve grip strength. For a quick boost, simply snack on raw baby carrots. Shred them into salads for a bit of crunch and sweetness, or roast them with a little olive oil to bring out their natural sugars. Don't fall for the myth that you have to eat them raw. Cooking carrots can actually make the beta-carotene more available for your body to absorb. Moving on to number 3 is a leafy green powerhouse. Spinach. Popeye was onto something, but not just for his biceps. Spinach is a triple threat against the causes of tingling hands. First, it's loaded with iron. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body, including your hands. Improving oxygen delivery through better circulation can directly alleviate feelings of numbness. Second, spinach is packed with magnesium, just like broccoli, helping to soothe the nervous system and support muscle function. Third, and perhaps most importantly for nerve repair, is its high folate content. Folate, or vitamin B9, is critical for the production and repair of DNA and is directly involved in the health of your nerve cells. Some studies have linked folate deficiency with peripheral neuropathy, making spinach an excellent food to rebuild strength in seniors. It's incredibly versatile. Blend it into a smoothie, wilt it into a pasta sauce, or use it as the base for a nutrient-dense salad. A surprising insight is that 1 cup of cooked spinach contains over 6 times more iron and folate than 1 cup of raw spinach, so lightly cooking it is a great way to concentrate its benefits. Our runner-up at number 2 is the humble sweet potato. Don't mistake it for a simple starchy side dish. It's a nutritional giant for muscle strength and nerve support. Its star nutrient is potassium. 1 medium sweet potato actually provides more potassium than a banana. This mineral prevents cramps and weakness by working with sodium to maintain the electrical gradient across cell membranes. Is essential for nerve impulses and muscle contractions. It also helps maintain a strong, steady grip. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin B6, which supports neurotransmitter health, and antioxidants, like beta-carotene that combat oxidative stress in nerve and muscle cells. They're easy to eat. Bake one and top with Greek yogurt. Mash as a healthy potato swap or roast as spiced fries. And the myth that they spike blood sugar? Not true. Thanks to their fiber, they have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, releasing sugar more slowly. Now, the number 1 most powerful vegetable to rebuild strength and stop tingling hands is beets. A surprise maybe, but science backs it up. Beets are the king of circulation, and poor circulation is a key cause of hand numbness. Their secret? Extremely high dietary nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, a vasodilator that relaxes artery walls, widens blood vessels, and improves circulation to hands and feet. This surge of oxygen-rich blood nourishes nerves and muscles, restoring feeling and function. A study in nutrients showed nitrate-rich vegetables improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. That's why beets are so effective against tingling. Roast them, boil and slice for salads, or juice them for the strongest effect. A bit of beet juice with apple or carrot juice daily can make a big difference. Quick recap. Take a screenshot or jot these down. Number 5, broccoli for magnesium and B6 to support nerve signals. Number 4, carrots for vitamin A to protect nerve sheaths. Number 3, spinach for iron, folate, and magnesium to aid circulation and repair. Number 2, sweet potatoes for potassium to strengthen grip and muscles. Number 1, beets, the circulation superstar with natural nitrates. Here's your action plan. Include at least 2 of these 5 veggies in your meals daily for 2 weeks. Track how your hands feel. The change may surprise you. Bonus tip, add turmeric to your veggie meals. Its curcumin is a potent natural anti-inflammatory, helping calm chronic inflammation, a major enemy of nerve health. Small, consistent changes like these can lead to major improvements in health and quality of life. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these vegetables will you start with? Got a favorite or trying one for the first time? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, please hit that like button. It helps the channel and shows YouTube to share this with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips